धन्यवाद महाराज। तरुवाति वारु परमहंस श्री प्रज्ञानंद जी महाराज ओडिशा वारिनि तम अनुग्रह भाषणं इव्वाल्सिंदिगा कोरुतुन्नानु।
गावः ममाग्रतः सन्तु, गावः मे सन्तु पृष्ठतः, गावः मे हृदये सन्तु, गवांग मध्ये वसाम्यहम्। I bow to Lord Venkateshwar. I bow to Lord Jagannath. I bow to the Jagat Gurus, the Acharyas, the saints and sages. I bow to all of you. I have been observing silence, so there is difficulty in talking. I broke my silence only for Mother Cow. We are people of India. India is the land of spirituality. India is the land of humanity. India is the land of divinity. India is the land of brotherhood, fraternity. Who taught this? Universal motherhood, universal brotherhood. If anybody has drank the milk of the cow means Gomata, is bound to accept cow as the mother. Our maternal mother who carried us in the womb for 9 months, 10 months, and gave us milk from her breast for 1 year or little more than that. We call her whole life my mother, my Amma. But whole life we take the milk of the cow, and we the people of India, whose culture teaches the cow is not the cow of the Hindus, mother of the Hindus. The cow is the mother of the entire creation. Gavaha Vishwasya Mataram. So, what are you doing here in this country? In India, after independence, we have been committing few blunders. The first blunder is the Green Revolution. India faced food crisis. Those who are 60 above, at least they know India's condition in 1960s, 70s. So there was Green Revolution. This is the first crime. The second crime is White Revolution, Operation Milk Flood. The father of Green Revolution, Dr. Swaminathan, and the father of White Revolution, Mr. Kurian. This is the second crime. The third crime, Pink Revolution. I don't know you know about it or not. India exporting beef to most of the countries in the world. 3 crimes, 3 sins each Indian is bound to suffer from these three mistakes. What are the results? The result is India is the hub of diabetic people, world hub. Largest number of people suffering from diabetes, cancer, heart trouble, hypertension. It is because of these three crimes, three sins. The first sin is green revolution, food, pesticide, insecticide, chemical fertilizer in food. The second is the milk flood, Operation Milk Flood, White Revolution. What happened in White Revolution? So-called milk and milk product is white poison. Most of the people are taking it. And the third is Pink Revolution, cow slaughter. What to do? The solution for the entire problem of humanity, and not only humanity, the problem of India particularly, can be solved and resolved. Very simple thing. I am not talking as a dogmatic person and just quoting from the Puranas or the Vedas. I am talking from the scientific understanding and also from economics, that this problem of India, whether it is food crisis, agriculture, whether it is health, because of all these diseases, or it is economics, and even the defense, it can be solved and resolved through mother cow. Here, one thing I'll tell you, listen to me seriously. Who is a cow? To whom shall we call as cow? Is buffalo a cow? Jersey Holstein breed, we call them as cow. Are they really cow? Therefore, we use in India, in Sanskrit, Veda Lakshana go, that which is the guy or cow, which has the hump, kakuda, one who has dewlap, galakambala, sasna, one who has galakambala, dewlap, and one who has kakuda, the hump on the back, is Veda Lakshana guy, Veda Lakshana cow. The milk of this cow, the milk product of this cow, urine, dung, the breath, even to toss the cow, is hygienic, is remedy for countless health problems. Will we not be awakened? Will we not think to rejuvenate India in health and happiness? I am proud to come here. This is my first visit to Tirupati Tirumala Devasthanam. I am proud to come here, this holy land of India, and I appreciate the TTD, which has taken a few dynamic and drastic steps. Example for all the temples of India. Although I am from Jagannath Puri, I will tell Jagannath temple should take this example, a brave example. Lord Venkateswar is now Govrati. The ghee which is used in the temple is from Veda Lakshana go. Desi gai ki, Suddha Veda Lakshana gai ki ghee. So the ghee of pure Indian breed, Desi gai. This is not the only step they have taken. The second step they took, they have taken a resolution to declare the cow as the Rashtra-mata, the mother of the nation. It is not a small step. Somebody will tell, you are to manage the temple or to talk of the cow. There is no existence of the temple without the mother cow. There is no existence of divinity without mother cow. And Lord Venkateswar, as I heard, when came to search for Mother Lakshmi here, and she has, the Lord survived with the milk of the cow. Today morning, Patmada Maharaj was speaking that The Lord borrowed money from Kubera and is paying back till now. But the Lord drank the milk of the cow, did not pay back for the cow. Now the Lord is standing up strong to pay back his own birth obligation, own birth love for mother cow. The third step the TTD has taken, which we appreciate from the core of my heart, this conference. And not only this conference, as I heard, to encourage the farmers to go to have cow-based farming, organic, natural farming, and to buy the natural food product to be used for the temple, for the Lord, and from the Lord means for the devotees. I appreciate this conference will be an eye-opening for all the temples. This temple has attraction from the people of all over the world. In USA, there is the temple of Lord Venkateshwar. In most of the Hindu temples in USA, you will find the Lord's form is worshipped there. People from all over the world will be inspired by this. And I would today request the government of India, government of all the state governments, whether it is Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, whether it is Karnataka or Odisha, all the states should come forward to take this step to preserve, protect, and the easy way to preserve and protect is to declare the mother cow as the Rashtra-mata. So, with these few words, I again go back to my silence. I offer my respect to all the divine personalities present here, and I seek their blessings. And I request all present here to be united and to fight for this cause. We'll work hard to wash away this blemish that we the Hindus, we the people of India have been committing this mistake since 1,000 years. The mother is not well protected. There is tear in the eyes of the cow, we'll wipe it, and there will be joy and laughter of the cow, and we'll smile with this joy of mother cow. Gomata ki jai ho, Satya Sanatan Dharma, Arya Dharma की जय हो, भारत की जय हो, भारत के आदर्श समग्र देश में, समग्र विश्व में प्रतिष्ठित हो. I bow to all of you. Thank you all.
ధన్యవాద్ స్వామీజీ. కన్న తల్లి మన